What's up, everybody? This is Adrian with Red Garage Auto. I'm here with this 1998 Nissan Skyline R34 25Gtt, and I'm going to take you on a walk around the body, try to point out all this thing has and any imperfections along the way. This thing is fitted with the R34 GTR style kit, and as you can see, it complements it very nicely. Has Z-tune fenders, Z-tune style. So does have the rain guards on the window with a little bit of carbon fiber siding there. This is painted Bayside blue, which looks very nice on the car. Has aftermarket rims here, which will have the name in the description of this. It's really clean. It does have the tail on it, the OEM tail. Does have an aftermarket exhaust here, which also I'll have the name of this one in the description on this car. Some notable door dings or dents here. Okay, onto the interior. Okay, onto the interior. This one's in excellent shape with no major notable tears or rips or anything. The dash, clean, no bubbling. It does have an aftermarket, this is like a GPS or something, but it doesn't quite work since we're not in Japan. The center console, air and heat and AC work. It does have a dual DIN in here that you can connect via Bluetooth. So everything works. Speakers. It does have a little tweeter set up here. And it has a bigger rear view mirror there. Comes with a fairly clean MOMO steering wheel. There's no real wear to be seen on it, along with NISMO style seats. Both of these really clean with hardly any wear. And this is a 4-door, so the back seats also really clean with hardly any wear. It's just a wrinkle here. There you go. Really clean. Almost looks like nobody sat in them. Also, the roof liner is super clean. Okay. Here's the trunk area. Really clean. No missing trim or interior. And here's the engine bay. This is a RB25DT. It is turboed, so it is pretty much stock. There's not, any tune, but it is a super reliable and has a little bit of kick to it. It does have HKS suspension, adjustable here. It's really clean in here. In here has an HKS aftermarket air filter, a BLITZ oil cap, aftermarket BLITZ radiator, has an aftermarket horn which is pretty loud, so they'll definitely see you coming if you honk it. Yeah, I'm gonna start it up so you can hear how it sounds. All right, gonna start it up. This is gonna be a cold start so you can see how it runs from cold start. All right, so a little bit higher idle, as you can see. we will, let me pop the hood, show you how it sounds with a aftermarket exhaust. It actually sounds pretty good. It's pretty deep. Nice and deep exhaust sound. All right, and this is how it runs. It is still in warm-up mode, so, but as you can see, there's no stumbles. Nice and smooth. The belts are new, along with the power steering pump looks new. And I'll give it some gas so you can see. All right, since it's still warming up, I'll just give it a little gas. But also forgot to mention, it does say the sticker in the engine bay says that the timing belt was replaced at 172,000 kilometers on the clock, and it's at 179 now, so you don't have to worry about that. Just a little bit of gas. I'll hold it at 2,000 RPMs so you can see that it runs nice and smooth with no stumbles. Go to 3. Nice and smooth with no stumbles. And back down. And as you can see, it's still in cold mode. So if you're interested in this vehicle, please give us a call at 206-774-0043, or you can message us on any of our socials. It's at reargarageauto.com, or sorry, at Rear Garage Auto for Facebook and Instagram, and www.reargarageauto.com for any more information and pictures. If you need any more information, just give us a call and we can get it for you. Thanks.